Welcome. Come close to Livana Vanadala so I can sense your inner spirit. Oh, yes. So you want me to look into the future of your business? Let's see. I see that you want your site to come up on page 1 in Google. Oh, yes. Fantastic. No. Oh, wait. I see a company that guarantees its work. Yes. Let me see closer here. Oh, yes. It's oasis.com. Oh, yes, oasis.com. Oh, very good company, yes. Oh, dear one, here is one final scrap of wisdom for your journey. Yes, if you want to grow your business traffic, you must go to oasis.com. Oh, yes, I see them. They are helping you now.